Well, the only stat you guys should need is endurance. And endurance right now, I'm going for 40, but I got 29. But the thing is, just calculate for 40 endurance. For 40 endurance, no rings, and the set that I'm wearing. The shield, and don't forget the pyromancy flame as well. What the hell just happened? I don't know what happened, guys. It's like... I don't know why it went down all of a sudden. It's kind of weird. It's the punishment for killing boobs. So now let's go ahead and pump up the shield. What's the shield at, by the way? It's at +1. So we're gonna need like 8 shards. You give me 8 shards. Purchase item. Now I'm not gonna be able to reinforce it all the way, but... I'll get myself killed if I want. Now the problem is, for the prowling demons, we're not going to have the Bloodbite ring. Just reminded myself of that. This is how we do it. Oh, fuck, no. The fuck did this guy came around me for, you bastard? Another one? I wasn't aware that you guys would follow me down here. So yeah, that happened. And now I'm mad. There's gonna be retribution for this. You've gone and fucked with the wrong yellow individual. How would I want to play this game in a Matrix-type gaming environment? I'd love it. That'd be awesome. Well, prowling demons definitely don't bleed. They do die, though. They die pretty damn nicely. Now don't move. Bastard. You cheated. And you used an AoE attack on me, which is also pretty cheap. You don't like the life on scythe, huh? Come closer, my little stone friend. Let us speak with one another. Shit. That hurt. I'm actually willing to take a bleed on for this one. Maybe not. These next ones are going to be a pain. Because the first two ones are really easy. The other two ones are... I almost rather be slow in water and have the ring so that I can exploit them a little bit more. Soul level is 57. Yes, my young one, you should eat at some point today. Eating is very important. So did anyone actually did the calculations if with 40 endurance I can use Xanthus Set, Blood Shield, Life Hunt Scythe, Pyro Glove, and a Giant's Helmet? This guy's gonna take a while, by the way. Why you no bleed, huh? Shit, he caught me twice with that? Oh, never mind. He caught me 3 times with that. My vitality's not that good. I actually do not like fighting these last two because they're so annoying. No, I don't want to wear Havels. Havels nor Ring of Favor and Protection. Neither of those. I mean, would it work with Ring of Favor and Protection? Because Havels I'm definitely not using. is up with these guys going all try-hard mode on me? There. Not so try-hard now, are you? I don't want to use Havel because I need to use the Blood Bite ring. And I want to have another situational ring. Look at him. He's opening up with the same attack he got me already. Shit. God damn it, I was stuck and staggered. Is Guild Wars worth the $60? My opinion on Guild Wars 2 is basically if you got a group of friends, like you got like 5 friends and, 4 friends, you and 4 friends, so you got like 5 people and you're all really going to get into Guild Wars 2, yes, it's going to be amazing. If you're going to get into Guild Wars 2 by yourself, not sure I would advise it at this point. Wow, it didn't hit. It hit 1. I killed your brother. I don't want to get anyone to drop me Demon Titanite. Well, if you really can't wait for an MMO, there's also Terra, and that's free. 62 endurance? That giant's helmet is friggin' heavy as balls. So I'll either get 45 endurance, which I didn't really plan on getting, or I'll get 60 endurance, which I definitely am not getting. I think I'll stick with this hat. Fuck, I aggroed the other one. That's why this one is so problematic. Unless you fight him all the way back here, you're gonna aggro the other one. Now the other one's not gonna go away. Oh my god. Fuck these snakes. Okay, this is a no-win situation. I'll be right back. Wasting too much of my goddamn time. Actually. 4 Demon Titanites. That's probably gonna get me only one more upgrade.
Well, you...
Actually, it's gonna get me 2 upgrades. Good.
Well, don't get yourself...
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go power within on that son of a bitch. Party people, party people. Now that's a little bit more decent. Damn it, I hate him when he keeps jumping back. Come at me, you son of a bitch. Come get some. I am very close to going bleed happy on this guy. Fuck you. Now let's wait, and then we're gonna slowly kill off the other one. Wow, he's still coming. Look at him, he's determined. You know what a friend of mine said the first time he saw a prowling demon? He was like, it looks like that statue is dragging his balls across the floor. And it kind of looks like it a little bit. Hey dude, what's happening? Whoa, no need to get all aggressive on me. There goes power within. I'm sad. Look at all that bleed. They have one leg missing because they tried stopping Iron Tarkus once. Once! And Iron Tarkus was like, I'm too busy for this shit. Chopped all their legs off. And their heads. Oh, this was only one Demon Titanite? I thought it was going to be 2. So that probably still leaves me 1 short. Well, there's still one that we haven't killed, which is interesting. So I guess we'll go and kill that one off right now. Hey dude, how you doing there? You doing okay? Doing cool? Hmm? Here. And that's also 10,000 souls, so we should be able to do the final upgrade. Is it the final upgrade?
Well, neat.
Oh, we're missing one Demon Titanite. God damn it.
I'll be seeing you.
Guess we're gonna be stuck at +4 for a while still. But I don't want to have to come back all the way here for that.
Neat.
So why don't you go ahead and give me all of your upgrade bullcrap?
Go get you.
And let's revive. And kindle. Demon Titanite Manor Londo? Let me think about it. The one in the chest earlier, I got that one at the start of the level. I'll go to the catacomb soon enough. First I want to go in free, and he's right also, I should upgrade my shield. Because now I have enough souls to do it. The reason why I'm going to the forest right now, holy crap, look at that bleed bar. The reason why I'm going to the forest right now is because I need to get the stuff from Sif. Need to go have a word with Sif. Out of my way, peasant. Thank you. That thing right there is going to give me a Demon Titanite. Right there. A chunk. Oh, it gave me a chunk. Okay. That's fair. Let's go have a word with the Black Knight. I don't really need the Grasscrest shield, but I always pick it up in every playthrough, so might as well go down there. You prick. Here. You get one shot. There's a reason why the gods even fear this weapon. I wonder if the Hydra bleeds. That'll be interesting to find out. chunk. I love the sound of that. I mean, just check it out. It's like, whoa, chunk. Aww, Hydra, spoiling my fun. Stupid Hydra. That was pretty messy. I wanted to switch to the other ring, but I'm just gonna be slow. Nice shot. Come down now? Come fucking get some. Oh, backing away already? No, no, come on. Come on, Hydra. Big and bad. Here. Chopping down heads. I really wanted to get that one, but I know I'm not gonna get it. That one head is always the bane of every Dark Souls player. That's pretty dangerous. Jesus, go further away, why don't you? I actually once got that head to do a weird move. Shit. I hate that head. And look at it. It's at an angle that you just can't get to it. Can barely see where that water ends. Well, it's time for desperate measures. We're gonna try and see if he comes back a little bit more. Oh. The fuck? Thank you. I believe that now I'll have to exit and re-enter. You see what I told you guys, though? There's a way to get that head to do a different moveset. Daemon Sadi. Still not happy with the Giant's helm. I really wanted to use that helm. I think it would look really cool. Clash of Titans. Okay. Missed me. Yes, Dusk. You're so kind. Okay, guys. I'm going in the forest. The armor that I'm using right now is Xanthus King's armor. Can you still be invaded in the forest after you kill Sif? You can't, right? Yeah, you can't. Time to get invaded. Thinking if I should go get the bow of Ferris. I probably should, considering this is a dexterity build. It would be a pretty useful bow. Oh, you actually hit me, the bastard. Stupid fucking cat. See, this is why I hate cats. So, do you guys think that Sif's gonna bleed? I'm thinking almost if I should leave Sif untouched. No, I have to kill Sif. There's no way to kill the 4 kings without killing Sif. Although, I don't really need to kill the 4 kings. If I were to stay in normal game, there really is no need to kill the 4 kings. If I just stay in normal game for PvP, I don't need to kill the 4 kings. Interesting. Well, it's late as hell, and I'm gonna call it a night. Hope you guys have been enjoying the playthrough. I'm gonna try and upload this to YouTube for those of you who didn't get to see the whole stream. Only the section where I was actually playing PlayStation 3, because... yeah. I might go and try and figure out what's wrong with the PC version after I'm done with this. So I might, even though I might be streaming, it's not really going to be streaming, so... just saying. Thank you all very much for being here. You guys are amazing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, I'm gonna upload the Dragon's Dogma stuff as well. See you guys later.